Welcome to e-Semplice, where music theory is simplified. Each grade in graded music theory exams has a set of signs and terms the student should familiarize his or herself with, and these signs and terms constitute part of your exams so that you don't lose marks in the exams. Know and be able to identify all the signs and terms relating to your grade. We are looking at grade 1 signs and terms here. Should be able to identify the signs and know the meaning of each sign, because you will definitely be asked in the exam. Now let's go over this. The first one here, the first sign there is fermata, and it means pause. Then we have secno sign. This sign means repeat from this sign. Dal secno, it means go back to secno sign. That is, wherever you find DS, go back to secno sign and repeat from there. Then we have swell, which means getting louder, then softer. Repeat sign, it means repeat the passage once. That is, the passage is to be repeated once. Then we have tie. It means hold for the total duration of both notes. You only strike the first note. You don't strike the second. Strike the first and hold for the total duration of both notes. Slow means perform smoothly. Accent means forced. That is, louder volume and stronger attack on the note. But if you find this in the exam, just write forced as the meaning of accent. Then we have staccato dots. If you find a dot on top or below a note, it means short or detached. The next sign here is a tempo marking or metronome number. You will see a crotchet equals to 112. What that means is 112 crotchets per minute. It could be a quaver equals to any number. It could be a minim equals to any number. But whenever you find this tempo marking, it is the number of that note given per minute. So in this case, we have a crotchet equals to 112. It means 112 crotchets per minute. Then we have the marcato sign, which means marked and accented. Tenuto, when there's a dash on top or below a note, it means tenuto, and the meaning of tenuto is give prominence. What that means is hold the note for its full length. We now move to terms on dynamics. That is, dynamics mean how loud or soft. It has to do with volume. Dynamics is simply about volume, how loud or soft. Let's run over the terms. We have piano, which is abbreviated small p. The meaning is soft. We have pianissimo, pp, very soft. 3. Pianissimo, ppp, extremely soft. Mezzo piano, MP, moderately soft. Forte, F, loud. Fortissimo, FF, very loud. Fortissimo, FFF, extremely loud. Mezzo forte, MF, moderately loud. Sforzando, SF, means with sudden accents. Let's proceed. We now come to crescendo and decrescendo or diminuendo sign. Crescendo, abbreviated cresc, means gradually getting louder, while decrescendo or diminuendo means gradually getting softer. Look at the music below, see the way it is applied. Some grade 1 students mistake accent and crescendo or decrescendo sign. Watch it. Accent is on a note, but crescendo or decrescendo or diminuendo sign is on the bar. If you look at the way it is represented, now the first one there is a decrescendo sign. You see it is longer than accent. So don't confuse it with accents. And you see the crescendo sign, it is usually applied on the bar, but accent is applied to a note. So please watch for the difference. We now come to terms indicating speed or tempo. The first one there is andante, at a moderate pace or at a walking speed. Moderato has the same meaning as andante. Adagio, slow, quicker than largo and slower than andante. Then we have largo. Largo means slow and solemn. Lento means slow. Allegro means quick or lively. Allegretto means slightly slower than allegro. Presto means very quick. Rallentando, abbreviated roll, means becoming gradually slower. Ritardando is abbreviated rit. It has the same meaning as rallentando, that is becoming gradually slower. Then we have accelerando, abbreviated accel. It means becoming gradually quicker or becoming gradually faster. Then we have a tempo. A tempo simply means in time, that is resume the initial speed. These are other grade 1 terms you should know before you enter the exam hall. The first one there is dolce. It means sweetly. Then we have leggero, which means lightly. We have tenuto. We've seen tenuto before under signs. Simply, it means held. Then ritenuto means hold back. Legato means smoothly. Staccato means short, detached, separated from each other. We've seen that before under signs. Then we have da capo, which is abbreviated DC. Da capo means repeat from the beginning. Then we have fine as number 8. Fine means the end. Some of you will mistake this for an English word. Don't say fine. It's not fine. It's fine. It means the end. Then we have 9. Marcato. Marcato means marked and accented. Then the last one, sostenuto. Sostenuto means sustained. Now, please note, All the terms in grade 1 are all Italian. All these words we are looking at, they are all Italian, and their English meaning is given. In the exam, you are going to see questions like, give the meaning of these terms. So what you are simply being asked is the English meaning of the terms that you would find in the exam. So arm yourself with these signs and terms, and I bet it, success will be your portion. Now, if you find this video useful, subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel and hit the notification button so that when another grade 1 video is posted, you will be notified immediately. That is, you will receive notification immediately. Thank you.